Why? Because Chalobah is right-footed, playing down the left. Then once the ball is forced to Chalobah, Saka will now press Chalobah from out to in, covering the pass from Cucurella. And what will that mean? Chalobah will have to play the pass in field to Fernandes, who might try to come and receive the ball. And that is where Arsenal's midfield comes to life, with Subamendi winning this ball here. And once he wins this ball here, he immediately looks to play the ball back to Saka or Eze, and that is how Arsenal actually create those transition phases where they actually score. So you can see the way Arsenal press is a very intelligent way of pressing. It's not the obvious press that Chelsea are going to face. And you can even see it here. Bayern Munich are trying to play out, and look at how Arsenal are. They are mixing both zonal and man-marking pressing systems so that they are able to get the best out of Arsenal. Now, once they have done this, what you notice next is the way Arsenal are actually going to try and stop Chelsea from building up.